Shall we do the Tamiya guy? Let's hit it.
Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. The Hornet EVO, evolution of the classic Hornet from Tamiya from 1984. This sucker's gonna go in the snow. Let's see the improvements. Independent suspension on all 4 wheels with oil dampers. Full ball bearings. Sealed gearbox. Look at the styling. Look at it. Just smashed through this snow. No feet for the Hornet EVO. With its new powerful motor, sealed gearbox, independent suspension, and full ball bearings in the kit. You can take your Hornet EVO through anything. It's a beautiful buggy. It's not meant to look at the shelf on this beauty. It's not meant to be on the shelf. It's meant to be used and abused. Hear them darling knobby tires ripping into the earth. Look at it go. The Hornet EVO is a sophisticated Hornet. We put every ounce of engineering into this model. You can tell by the performance you're seeing now. If you want a powerful, great handling Hornet, look no further. The EVO is for you. Look at the beautiful buggy. Ripping through this snow, no problem. She can conquer any terrain you toss at it. Tamiya, #1 in quality around the world. The Hornet lives to be the best it can ever be. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. The Hornet EVO. Get one at your local dealer.